advanced energy storage technology, and 40 years of plant experience. A tank engineering company trusted by the world beyond South Korea, this is S-Tank Engineering. S-Tank Engineering is a technology-based EPC company established in 2001 by exclusively inheriting the tank division of Samsung Heavy Industries. We are a complete turnkey EPCC company that directly designs, manufactures, installs, and commissions core equipment for the oil and gas industry, including cryogenic storage tanks, spherical tanks, pressure vessels, and piping and BOP facilities. R&D power centered on the Technology Research Institute. The S-Tank R&D Center selects future strategic technologies and creates differentiated solutions by integrating fundamental technologies. From hydrogen, LNG to ultra-low temperature storage technologies, continuous research is becoming the driving force for corporate growth, establishing a foundation of core technologies. From key materials to structure, heat, transfer, and safety design, we are securing and developing the core technologies that support the energy industry, walking the true path of a technology company. Eco-friendly energy convergence technology, the patent for liquefied hydrogen storage tanks, automatic welding devices, and welding jigs, which combine eco-friendliness, automation, and efficiency, is S-Tank's unique competitive edge and the most important asset in the future. Energy industry. S-Tank is a complete EPCC company that handles everything, from design, procurement, manufacturing, and construction to commissioning. The main businesses are as follows: tank and tank terminal pressure vessel manufacturing, LNG terminal engineering, business, hydrogen production, storage, and utilization solutions. Additionally, we are one of the few companies in Korea that can directly design and manufacture all types of industrial tanks, including SPT, CRT, DRT, FRT, and DWT. The headquarters in Changwon supports design and EPC management, while the Seoul office assists with global sales, and the Hamon factory operates as a key manufacturing base for large tanks and pressure vessels. We have carried out numerous EPC projects in various locations around the world, including Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. We have proven our stability and quality over 40 years in supplying LNG storage tanks, refining and petrochemical plants, and industrial pressure vessels. Global manufacturing certifications including ASME U and U2, ISO 9001, 14001, and 45001 system certifications, as well as numerous patented technologies, demonstrate the quality and technological capabilities of S-Tank. S-Tank Engineering is enhancing hydrogen and LNG full-cycle technology to leap forward as an eco-friendly, energy-centric company, and is expanding EPCC automation from design to manufacturing and construction. S-Tank Engineering is a Korean energy engineering company, advancing into the world from the Middle East to Europe and North America.